Hello guys, today is as you can see Tuesday 7th of August 2018. It's 3:40 Eastern time. It means the market has about 20 minutes to close, and today after the market close we have the earnings. Now all the analysts say that Snapchat will have a bad estimate, okay? But for me, as you know before, that there is no this bad estimate. It doesn't mean that Snap will not make money. So as you can see before here, we have a gap up before from 17 to 20, okay? And after that, I bought the stock. I didn't buy the stock here, but I bought it in this here before the earnings, and I have a gap down. It means I lost money. So losing money is something related to the news, not to the trend. Now, since the stock has been going up and it has been trading into a range, so I got the idea and I decided to buy it again today. Okay, I just bought it around just $13 a share. So I am always positive about the surprises. Now, what does it mean, surprises? It means earnings, no one knows if it is good or bad. So if you are scared, you should exit the trade before the earnings. Whatever is, either you are in few days or 2 weeks or 5 weeks or 2 months or 6 months, if you are scared, you should get out from the trade. You should just exit before the market close. But for me, I am positive, okay? So, and I risk my money as always. And this is something, I don't know if I get a gap up or gap down. So let's see for tonight, okay? Let's see what's going on. And after the news tonight, I will make another video explaining to you what did happen, okay? So thank you very much and have a nice day.